to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Hey FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to just be browsing and you saw this little face or hear this voice, welcome. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. So viewers has been asking for a eggless fruitcake. So maybe you guys can make it for the New Year's coming, all right? So I'm gonna be making an eggless, rumless, no egg, no liquor fruitcake. And here's my ingredients. As I go along, I'll tell you everything that's there. But also I'll be using flaxseed and turbano sugar, all right? With some, I'll be using whole wheat flour and some almond flour. So as you can see, I'm trying to keep it as healthy as I can, but also tasty. So let's run right into it. I want you guys to come over to the stove. So okay guys, here I just make a spice with some orange peel that I'm removing and some pimento seed. So just boil this for like 20 minutes on medium-low heat with 2.5 cups of water. And I'm also removing cinnamon, but that's lemon peel. So I'm leaving the lemon peel because I'll be using it as a spice. So here I have some cherries, prunes, cranberries, and raisin. And I'm gonna put this all to boil because these are dry fruits. I'm gonna have these boil until they're softened, all right? So guys, this is 1 pound of butter. Use your butter of choice to make it as healthy as you wish. And I'm gonna cream the butter. Okay guys, now that it's nice and fluffy, make sure you have a spatula to keep putting down the side because you want everything to incorporate nicely. Now I'm gonna go in with 1 cup of turbana sugar. So my FK gang, let's mix the dry ingredients together. So here I have 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Guys, it's the same process as my last fruit cake. And all the ingredients remain the same. Okay, here I have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And the rest is all teaspoon. A teaspoon of mace, a teaspoon of clove, a teaspoon of vanilla, teaspoon of Himalayan salt, teaspoon of ginger, and a teaspoon of cardamom. So we want to be able to sieve everything through your strainer. And this is half a teaspoon of baking soda. So this, I'm gonna whisk it together. Oops. With a half a cup of almond flour. So guys, this is my eggs replacement, and this is my flaxseed. Now for the ratio of 4 eggs, I'm gonna need 3 tablespoons of water to 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. So this is 4 tablespoons of flaxseed. So we're going to need 3, 6, 9, 12 tablespoons of water. So guys, this is the replacement for 4 eggs. So guys, with the fruits almost cool, they're a little warm, I'm gonna put them in the blender. So this is about three and a half cups of fruits. So guys, you just put it on chop for like a minute and it's ready. You don't want it to be like too puree. You want to have a little bit of like a little fruits in it. And guys, to this I'm going to add a half a cup of applesauce. And I'm also going to have my flaxseed. And in this, I have 1 teaspoon of rose water, a teaspoon of almond extract, teaspoon of vanilla extract, some Jamaican rum essence. This is just essence. And this is coconut essence. And this is cinnamon extract. 1 teaspoon of each. Oh my gosh. Guys, this smells like heaven. I'm in heaven. I know singing is not my line, but I like to sing when I'm working. So guys, now I'm gonna add my fruits to my butter and sugar. So this is about, I'm adding 3 to 4 cups. I think I'm gonna do 4 cups. So guys, now I'm gonna fold the flour in. I'm gonna put this in like thirds. So that's the last of the third of flour. I'm gonna fold this in. So guys, this is optional. I'm gonna add around 3 tablespoons of molasses because I want the cake to be darker. If you like it that color, you don't need to add it. And guys, you have to make sure you mix your cake very well because the flax seed can bring pockets to your cake, so like air pockets. So make sure it's mixed very well. Just fold it very well. And to this I'm gonna add about a half a cup of apple juice. So guys, I need parchment paper for the bottom of my cake.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind.
Spray the bottom of your can and the sides. Perfect.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas.
Okay guys, so this mixture is for 2 cakes.
And the sun said it is just getting better.
And you need 2 9-inch baking pans.
Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.
Guys, knock your cake on the countertop to get the air pockets out. So now guys, the oven set at 325. I preheat it at 350. And now I put it to 325 to bake the cake. But first I'm gonna put a bowl of water right under where the cake will be sitting. It's called a water bath. So the steam from the water can bake the cake. Center. Right over it. So guys, 325 for an hour. So guys, we're at the end of another segment and I'm here to present my egg-free and liquor-free fruitcake. So here's a fruitcake that you can indulge in. And this fruitcake is ideal if you want to spray it with any form of wine. And it will last for a really long time because this one has no eggs in it. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Just adjust whatever you see I use in it and you will be fine. You can turn it into gluten-free, however you want it to choose. But here is a little something for you guys, all right? And as you know, I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. Today's scripture will be coming from James 1 verse 19. My brothers and sisters, take note of this. Everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, don't let people disrespect you. Surround yourself with positive people. That's what you should do for the new year, all right? I hope you guys enjoy. Please remember, Fergie loves you and have a happy holiday. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.